Welcome to another unboxing from the Perth Mint. Today we're unveiling the unique Year of the Horse Quadrant 2026 1 ounce silver-proof coloured 4-coin set. The set is housed in a beautifully illustrated presentation package accompanied by a numbered certificate of authenticity. Once inside, you'll find 4 Tuvalu legal tender 1 ounce silver-proof pieces that fit together in the shape of an ancient Chinese liang coin. Struck from 99.99% pure silver, the 4 individual 1 ounce pieces each portray a coloured horse. The top coin depicts a white Friesian with a brown mane, raising its front hooves in a powerful stance. The right-hand coin depicts a chestnut-coloured horse galloping along a country path. The bottom coin depicts a palomino and her foal facing each other, both distinguished by golden coats and white manes. The left-hand coin depicts a dark bay horse with a black mane, standing on rocky terrain in the countryside. The obverse of the coin bears the Jody Clark effigy of His Majesty King Charles III, as well as the coin's weight, purity, monetary denomination, and year date. With a mintage of just 1500, we recommend ordering soon, either from the Perth Mint shop or online at perthmint.com.